channel, The Makeover Mom. Today I am just going to be going over a event planning video with you guys. If you're new to this channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I post videos on being an event planner, starting your own business, DIYs, home decor, and being a mom. So today let's go ahead and get started with what this video is about. I haven't made an EP video in a while. As you guys know, I am a children's event planner, and when I first started, I started with little to no money, no support, no direction on how to start an event planning business. So I kind of had to come up with systems and things on my own. So for today, I just want to talk about client organization, tracking your clients, keeping track of the events that you have in bookings. I've read a couple reviews on other businesses who booked clients never showed up for the event, or clients found out that the event planner forgot about their event and until the last minute and things like that. And I'm just like, that has never happened to me, thank God. But it's because I like to write a lot of things down. I like to stay organized, especially when it comes to my client and my client bookings. I write everything down. I prefer to do all my client communication via email, and it is because I do not have time to spend on the phone, but more so because I can track everything. I have a running record of everything that was spoken about, everything that was agreed upon. And I will tell you guys, with these clients, they will come to you and tell you like, remember you said I could do this, this, and that, and other, you can practice. You're like, whoa, I never said that. And then sometimes you have to refer to what you actually did say. So it's such a lifesaver. It's just a way to really protect yourself as a business owner. So I strongly always recommend, even if you are doing phone consultations and whatnot, is to send a confirmation email of everything that you spoke about all the time, every single time. That will save you so much headache with some of your problem clients in the future. So what I wanted to talk about is staying organized. And for that, I have found that there's a certain process that goes when the client first makes their first inquiry until you conclude the business with that particular client. From the booking phase, to the planning phase, to the servicing phase, to the follow-up phase. There's a lot of little details that go into that sequence, and with all those little tiny tasks, sometimes it can be really hard to track those things. It can be really hard to know where you're at with a particular client. Having to send them the contract, having to make sure their deposit is paid, making sure they submitted their final guest count. And it's super easy when you have one client, but when you're balancing multiple clients, even when you're at 2 or 3, if you got 3 clients on the books, you're in different places with those clients. One client, you might be needing to get the final guest count, while another client just inquired and you're waiting for their deposit so that they can book that date. And then another client, you might still be discussing colors or themes, or you're just everywhere. So what I have done is that I made a printable for you guys that you guys can purchase on my Etsy shop, along with my guide, which you guys already know is there. And thank you so much to everybody who purchased the guide. I think we're at like 80 sales or something. So there's 80 boss business owners out there who are getting their stuff together, who are starting and branding their businesses like the pros that they are. And I thank you guys so much for all that, and I hope it is doing wonders for you. But now I have a supplemental material, and this is what I really wanted to do, because for me, I like having tangible things. Like, I like to read stuff on the internet and research, but I like to make a list. I like to have it in my hand. I want to check something off. I want to write notes and keep track of them. That is something that I just prefer. That's how I prefer to work. That's how I prefer to manage everything that I do. And I know that there's a lot of people that works for them as well. I'm not the kind of person that puts everything in their phone or has everything on Google Docs or in Google Calendar. I need to see it. I need it written down, because like, out of sight, out of mind for me, right? So this printable I made is a client tracker, and what it does is it just breaks down the booking sequence for you guys from inquiry to follow-up, and it just has a place for you to keep track of all your clients' important information, and for you to check off the sequence that you're at in the booking process. And I wish I would have had one of these when I started, so I made it purely as though I was trying to make one for myself, and it's what I'm going to be using from now on with my clients as well, because it's just like, You think it's something that's so simple, a client tracker, but it will save you so much time and headache if you stay organized with your clients. So I will include the Printable link up here. I also have a coordinating blog post, and included with that, the client tracker Printable is the sequence of the booking process. So of course, a couple of things are, you know, optional and can be changed to suit your business needs, but there's a complete breakdown list for you guys to go over, and it documents what I believe to be a general sequence from inquiry to follow-up, and that is included as well with the client tracker. So make sure you guys check that out. I have a couple new blog posts. I want you guys to go to the blog too, because I know that I'm not always able to put up a lot of video content all the time, but I do post to my blog, and you guys can really get some background information on, you know, how I tackled an event, or what I purchased, or, you know, how I came about to, you know, do some of the things that I do. I can't say much in a 3-minute video, but in a blog post I'm really able to dive in and get into detail there. So I really want you guys to be checking out my blog in addition to my YouTube channel, so you guys can really get all the information that you need to help you either start your business, inspire you, or move on to the next phase in your business. Okay, so you guys, I just love having you so much. Thank you so much for getting us to 10,000. I just pray that my channel is able to continue to grow. I thank you so much for all you guys who support me. You guys are amazing. Keep doing what you're doing. Keep bossing up. And I know that God is going to bless you guys. And I just thank you so much. Like I said, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Please make sure to subscribe. Subscribing helps me so much, you guys don't even know. And make sure to press the notification bell, because YouTube is not telling subscribers when a video is posted unless you guys hit that bell. So there's something going on with the algorithm. That's a whole nother video. Thank you guys again. And I just, you know, thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.